Um, I know, a little shock. I'm putting in a video before Monday, but today is the 2nd of March. I meant to do this yesterday. Today I wanted to give you my list for my Make 10 for March of 2018. Um, it took me a little bit to kind of go through, to make the list. I mean, right now my finances are really, really tight. And so I had to kind of figure out what can I afford to do, compared to what I want to do. So I got it all down out. And so I'm going to give you the list here in just a minute. The other thing is, as you know, I told you that this challenge was given to me first by my life coach. Um, Unfortunately, because of due to cutbacks and changes and crap that's been going on with the health and welfare and everything, she won't be able to come and see me anymore. But she calls me once in a while to see how I'm doing, and especially see how I'm doing on my challenge that she gave me. So I told her that I've been doing this on YouTube, so she'll be able to see what I'm doing. So, hi, Peggy. So she says she'll make sure to watch every time I post it. Also, my daughter is the other one who kind of gave me the challenge because I completed the first 3 months, which means now she's got to give me a Wii system. And I did promise her I wouldn't be on the Wii all day long and not do my projects. But it's nice, like in the middle of the night or something, like when I can't sleep, I can play some games just to relax and wind down. So hopefully in a few days she'll be, bringing me that. So, and I'm sorry, I keep turning this way. I have my list right here, and I don't want to put my notebook on my laptop. I am having major problems with my laptop. So, one of them being I need a new mouse. My mouse is just about kaput. So, my list, what I was going to say. For Crystal, my oldest daughter, who is doing, in order for her to see that I am doing the projects, I'm going to give you the list. I'm putting the list down. Hi, Crystal. And during the month, I am going to do short little videos of the finished projects. This way, she can, and I'll say, project 1, project 2. They may not be in the order of 1 through 10 the way I have them in my notebook, but I'll let her know. Project 3, here it is, whatever. So now to go to the list. Project 1. If you remember in one of my vlogs, I showed you a set of Easter bunnies that I did in purple outfits. Well, I'm going to make another set, but in a pink outfits. So I am doing those. Project 2. If you remember, I don't think I listed my projects for February with everything that was going on. I'm doing a topiary. And for the month of February, I painted all the pots. I couldn't go any further because I didn't have the eggs. I couldn't do the eggs. I didn't have the money to buy the eggs I wanted to do. Well, I have the eggs, I have the dowels, I have ribbon, I have flowers. So, project 2 is to finish the topiaries. It's 6 pots with eggs. They're in green, blue, yellow, orange, pink, and purple. And I just have to now decorate the eggs and then put them together. And I actually want to get those done here within the next week to 10 days. So I will show those to you. Project 3. I did an Easter house. Well, I decided I can't do all the Easter houses and pots before Easter. So I'm going to kind of hold off on the Easter ones of this project until next year. So I'm starting in on Halloween. Yeah, I know. This is March and I'm doing October. But there's 7 houses to do. So this month I'm doing 2. If I find that I can keep up with this pace, you'll find out what I'm talking about in another video. If I find out I can keep up with all this pace, I may end up doing 3 or 4 a month because I have different houses and pots to do. I have all the houses except for maybe 3 big ones. No, 2 big ones, I think. But it's the pots I still have to buy. And I still have to buy the sand and the PVC piping that the dowels will go into. And I still have to buy all the dowels. But hopefully I'll be able to do those as, short, as time is, since I don't try and do all 7 in a month, 2 or 3 at the most, maybe 4. I'm not sure. It's the cost that's getting me. So this month it's 2 for Halloween. Okay. Number 4. I have these 5 goats. They go hand in hand. One's got his hands like this. I mean, they have one hand like this and one hand like this. So they actually sit holding hands, and they're double-sided. So like if you put them on a windowsill, people can see what they look at outside, and you can still have the decorations inside also. Well, I don't have a window for anyone to see that. Well, maybe my bedroom window, but no one can see me up here on the 2nd floor, really. But I want to get those painted on, and so I can get them all painted, get them sealed, and get them put away so I can put them out in Halloween. So there's 5 of them, and I'll have all 5 of them done. Project 5, I have to make 3 Ken outfits as a gift for my granddaughter, Erin, for Easter. She wants a Ken doll, and I told her I said I would make about 3 outfits. So 3 outfits for a Ken doll. I want to try and do 5. I'm not committing myself to 5. I want to try and do 5 because I want a couple outfits for myself. Okay. Project 6. I have been photographing all my ceramics and packing them up. So number 21 is the boy Scarecrow. He's about yay tall, cute little booger. He has a little girlfriend, but they're 2 separate pieces. So this month I am doing the boy Scarecrow. Number 7. Last month I did 3 ornaments, 3 ceramic ornaments. This month I'm going to push myself and try and do 5. The reason is they need to be sprayed. The ones I did need to be sprayed. But it's not feasible to spray just 3 ornaments on the box when I can cover the whole box with newspaper and put a whole bunch on there and spray them, because they're all one-sided. There's no double-sided. So I'm going to try and do 5. Yeah. Number 8. I'm doing a wall hanging, a plastic canvas wall hanging. I had this at one point. I was going to try and do this in an earlier month, and I changed it to something else because there was a problem with the pattern that I had. They did not give instructions clear enough on what needed to be done. They were really, let's put it this way, they didn't give enough instructions on how to do a lot of the stitches. So I've had to do a lot of searching, and I finally found somebody in one of my groups. She's done this before. Hello, Penelope. Yes. Yeah, that's Penelope. So she has walked me through. I've made all kinds of notes. She's walked me through and told me how to do all the different stitches. So I'm going to get that done this month. Number 9. There is a Gingerbread village from Mary Maxim. I am in love with this village. I've done 2 of the buildings over the last few years. So, come on. Anyway, they have a train set, but I don't feel I can do the whole train in 1 month. So this month I'm doing the 3rd car, which says happy, of the Gingerbread train set. And number 10, I have a package that I opened up, and I made 1 bell. It's a beaded bell. They're purple. I want to get these made and packed up so I can hang them up for Easter. Or not Easter, Christmas for next year. So I think there's enough in there to do either 2 more bells or 3 more bells. But to put it simply, I'm doing however many this package has left, I'm doing it. So there's my 10. Easter bunnies, boy and girl in pink, the Easter egg and topiary to finish it off, the 2 houses, and it's the houses, pots, and poles, 5 ghosts, 3 Ken doll outfits, the number 21 Scarecrow, the 5 ceramic ornaments, the PC wall hanging, the 3rd car in a gingerbread train, and the purple bell sets. And that is my Make 10 for March of 2018. As I said, over the month, I am going to be posting as they get finished. I'm going to be posting it. So you will also be kept updated. This way, everybody can see what I'm doing, and I'm not, and because I've been making them and packing them and not thinking, oh, I should have done this. I should have taken pictures, or I should have done this. So this way, I can do it. So I'll see you all later, everybody. Take it easy.